But did you know that waffles are actually super simple to make at home? Let's learn together. In a bowl, pour in the flour, the sugar, the salt, and the baking powder. Mix all those powders together, then add the milk and eggs. Mix it all up. And finally, the melted butter that I let cool to room temperature. I have set up my waffle maker, which has been thoroughly preheated. Now we can cook the first ones. Set it to the medium temperature, and in just 3 minutes they will be ready. And even the last one is ready too. Waffles are delicious, even plain like this, nice and warm, perhaps dipped in milk or savory with some ham and cheese. Today I want to make the sweet version the way I like them. That is, with a little butter, maple syrup, and fresh blueberries. And now, let's taste them. They're my favorites. They're delicious. Try making them.
Ciao.